I'm Angela Harney, and I'm here to show you that because you can SQL, you can Snowflake. I have experience with SQL Server since its first edition, and I am a Snowflake certified data engineer. In our last video, we not only worked with the core metrics table, but we also added a second table called metric usage. Let's refresh our database to see the new objects. Both Snowflake and SQL do this in the same way. There is another way in SQL to see the objects in a database. You can query the sysObjects system table. To get a list of specific objects, you can query the systables, where the type equals U. If we want to see details about columns, such as data type and length, we can use syscolumns. There is also a sysviews. In Snowflake, the database objects are metadata tables stored in information schema. To filter system tables that we don't want, we look for objects not in the information schema. The information schema resides in every database, and in Snowflake, they have an information schema.columns metadata table where you can filter out again the information schema objects, and you can see the column length and data type there as well. Both systems have a metadata views table that you can take a look at to see those objects. One of the more intermediate types of queries in SQL is the rank function. Let's look at how this compares to Snowflake. Here we have a query of the metric usage table. We want to return the usage type and usage date, and then we want to partition by the usage type and show within each usage type the usage date descending, and we want to rank those starting with 1. As you'll see down below, we have each usage type. The usage date is in descending order, and it is ranked within each usage type. In Snowflake, we can copy and paste that query, execute it with the same syntax, and retrieve the same results. Snowflake is SQL-easy. You can do it too.